The Algonquian territory's resources. Hunting and fishing. To feed themselves, the Algonquians relied on the resources of the forests, lakes, and rivers on their territory. In the forest, they could hunt big game like moose, caribou, and black bear. They could also find smaller game such as hare, beaver, squirrel, raccoon, and partridge. In the many lakes and rivers that surrounded them, the Algonquians fished for trout, pike, carp, and salmon. Gathering. The forest was overflowing with plants, fruits, and vegetables that served as food, spices, and medicine. For example, the Algonquian people used wild leek and cattail to make remedies. In the forest, they also picked fruit like berries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. The types of forests. Most of the Algonquian territory was covered by boreal forest, which mostly contains conifers, firs, spruce, pine, etc. Those who lived further north were surrounded by a subarctic forest, which was made up of small conifers that were spaced far apart. The Algonquians used wood and bark to make wigwams.